and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitcoin bounced to $63,500 from its Friday dip below $60,000 before faltering and slipping below $63,000 towards the start of the Tuesday morning Asian trade session. Ether, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap, was changing hands around $3,436 with barely any change in the last 24 hours. Many of the large cap altcoins are also trading well in green, with SOL being a notable example. The cryptocurrency increased by 4.6% and is now pushing for $150. Link increased by 5.31%, AVAX by almost 6%, NEAR by 5%, and so forth. Interestingly enough, some categories are performing a lot better compared to others. For example, meme coins on Solana and Base have charted on average gains between 13% and 9% respectively. July tends to be a positive month for BTC, 10x Research wrote in a Monday update, but any lull over coming months will probably continue as the third quarter is usually the weakest for digital assets. However, Bitcoin's price premium on Coinbase has plummeted to negative levels rarely seen, CryptoQuant data showed. Similar readings in November 2022 and August 2023 foreshadowed imminent local price bottoms and subsequent rallies. The global cryptocurrency market cap is $2.31 trillion, a 0.31% increase over the last day. The total crypto market volume over the last 24 hours is $59.62 billion, which makes a 31.89% increase. The total volume in DeFi is currently $4.13 billion, 6.93% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. The volume of all stablecoins is $955.13 billion, which is 92.47% of the total crypto market 24-hour volume. Bitcoin's dominance is currently 53.63%, an increase of 0.08% over the day. The approval of US spot Ether exchange-traded funds in Q3 could further boost the positive momentum in crypto, potentially triggering a bull run. The anticipated regulatory green light could further enhance the positive momentum experienced by digital assets. The first quarter economic activity suggests slowing momentum, fueling expectations that the Federal Reserve could cut rates this year. Bitfinex highlights that investors' appetite for riskier assets such as Bitcoin might fluctuate, potentially impacting investor sentiment. Bitfinex estimates that Bitcoin could see tailwinds from the halving in April, as historical patterns show that the start of a bull market 10 to 12 weeks after rewards for miners are decimated. A potential Ethereum ETF launch in Q3 could further amplify this positive momentum for crypto. Bitcoin and the broader cryptocurrency market are experiencing a choppy start this month as traders look to gauge US economic activity amid persistent inflation and a stock market rally driven by big tech. The Bureau of Economic Analysis released the third estimate that US real GDP increased to an annual rate of 1.4% in Q1 2024, contrasting sharply with last year's Q4 results, which showed US economic activity had increased by 3.4%. May's personal consumption expenditures index, a key indicator of inflation, had dipped to 2.6% year-over-year increase, down from April's 2.7%. The vast majority of assets in the top 100 coins by market cap are trading in the red, and Bitcoin has breached the $61,000 mark and currently trades at $60,670 at the time of writing. The finalized GDP data for the US is expected to signal potential economic cooling, leading to a comeback in volatility as additional regulatory developments and macroeconomic policies play a crucial role. Shiba Inu, the world's second largest meme coin, has experienced a significant increase in its burn rate in the last 24 hours, contributing to its price increase. Around 301.68 million SHIB tokens were removed from circulation, marking a 1,393% spike. Coin burning is a process where a cryptocurrency token is sent to an unusable wallet address to create scarcity and boost its market value. In June, over 918 million SHIBs were burned across 237 transactions, marking a 148% spike from the previous month. The increase in burn rate coincides with the 2x jump in new transactions on the Shibarium blockchain in the last 24 hours, with all transactions on the Layer 2 network resulting in the burning of SHIB tokens. On-chain analytics firm Into the Block reported a 181% jump in large transaction volumes and a 65% rise in daily active addresses. Polymarket, a decentralized prediction platform, has seen over $200 million in election bets on the upcoming US presidential election, marking a significant moment for cryptocurrency's mainstream adoption and financial integration. The platform achieved record volumes in June, surpassing $111 million in trades, and analysts predict that by the end of the year, its trading volume could exceed $1 billion. This increase in volume also boosted other key metrics such as total value logged rising by 68.9% to $40.23 million and monthly active users rising by 166% to 28,760. Currently, Polymarket shows a 63% probability of Donald Trump winning the upcoming presidential election, with Joe Biden's chances at 18%. Speculation is also rife about Biden potentially withdrawing from the race, with $8.6 million staked on this outcome following his recent debate performance. Russia's crypto mining capacity could grow by a further 6.9 gigawatts, according to Andrei Kitayev, the director of energy markets and external relations at the Russian power system operator. The country's cumulative crypto mining capacity currently stands at 2.7 gigawatts, but domestic miners are planning to expand their network by 2.5 times. Kitayev stated that data processing centers in Russia mining firms use 2.7 gigawatts of power and another 6.9 gigawatts is preparing to come online. Data centers with 2.5 gigawatts of power already have the technical conditions in place for grid connection. Additionally, the Ministry of Energy's latest electric power systems plans for 2024 to 2029 assumes overall capacity will grow by an average of 2% or 3.4 gigawatts per year. This could pose problems for the grid as industrial production increased by 3.5% last year in Russia. Blockchain security firm Certic has migrated its cloud infrastructure in Asia to Alibaba Cloud, a subsidiary of Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba. The move aims to provide blockchain developers with a secure environment for developing and deploying Web3 applications. Certic's co-founder Rongi Gu believes that the transformative power of blockchain technology will be empowering developers with secure development and deployment through Alibaba Cloud's platform. Alibaba Cloud has previously integrated with Avalanche blockchain to power node-as-a-service initiatives, allowing developers to launch new validator nodes on Alibaba's cloud infrastructure. The partnership with Alibaba Cloud began in May 2023, allowing Certic's developers to conduct code reviews, risk assessment, team identity verification and background checks on Alibaba's cloud infrastructure. Hawaii has officially exempted cryptocurrency firms from the requirement to obtain a money transmitter license to operate in the state. The Hawaii Department of Commerce and Consumer Affairs announced that the state concluded its collaborative crypto research project, Digital Currency Innovation Lab, on June 30, 2024. DCIL aims to explore the landscape of digital currency activity within the state and assess the regulatory framework required for crypto-related companies. However, crypto companies will still be responsible for complying with any applicable federal licensing or registration requirements, including those set forth by the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, the Securities and Exchange Commission, and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority. Compliance will also involve consumer protection and anti-money laundering measures. Singapore has increased the risk level for digital payment token service providers, potentially facilitating terrorism financing from medium-low to medium-high in its latest update to the Terrorism Financing National Risk Assessment. The Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Finance and Monetary Authority of Singapore jointly announced that the latest risk assessment, last conducted in 2020, identified comparable areas of terrorism financing risk. However, the report admitted a lack of clear evidence for widespread use of digital payment tokens in Southeast Asia, possibly due to limited technology in area hit by terrorism, lacking financial infrastructure and good internet. Abra, a digital asset prime services and wealth management platform, has launched Abra Treasury, a service for corporates to hold crypto on their balance sheet as a reserve asset. The service, operated by Abra Capital Management, will provide digital asset treasury management solutions to corporates, family offices, and non-profits. Abra Treasury offers custody, trading, borrowing, and yield services, allowing clients to hold their crypto separately. Under the terms of the settlement agreement, Abra will return up to $82.1 million in crypto to US customers in the settling states. That's all in this bulletin for now. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. Do like, share and subscribe to $3 TV, and for more information stories log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.